ready. So, shepherds, go gather around your campfire.
We have a campfire? It's a pretend fire.
All right, Jenny, come here and sit next to me. And Mary and Joseph, I want you to stand in the back, and we're going to pretend like you're coming all the way from Nazareth. Mary and Joseph, do you remember what line you come in on?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then here we go.